All right, guys, here we are with Tier 1, half case PYT number 5. Whoever finishes in the top 2 will get a spot into the giveaway. 8 ball, 4 and 4, 8 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and our top 2. No Stick and Monty on this one. No Stick and Monty, 8 times. Congrats, guys. And here are your squads. I got the A's with Sherry, Angels, Shiny, Cardinals, Doug, Astros, Anton, Reds, White Sox, and Nationals, No Stick, Diamondbacks, Scott, Marlins, Doug, Giants, Elijah, Tigers, Brian, Indians, Monty, Braves, Mariners, Cubs, Andrew, Pirates, Dorian, Yankees, Todd, Brewers and Twins, Scott, Dodgers and Mets, Doug, Blue Jays, Chris, Orioles, Monty, Padres, Phillies, Rangers, Sergio, Rays, Dorian, Red Sox, Chris, Rockies, Dorian, and Monty with the Royals. No. Thanks, Scott. How are you doing? One set those. Yes, number 4 on that one. Uh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22. It's a 1 in 22 chance. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kazu. PYT number 5. Left or right, guys? Left or right? First. The chat. Left or right? Left it is. If somebody could please link Tier 1 PYT number 8 in the chat, that would be phenomenal. That is the last break for the giveaway. That is the last break. Let's go right. Oh, God. Can't tell you how many times I've hit that thing. Britt Oberholzer for the Astros, number to 5. David Cohn, number to 299. Number to 199, Tom Glavine. To 399, Shelby Miller. Thanks, Hobby. Number to 349, Joe Kelly. Hector Santiago, number to 399. Number to 399, Xander Bogaerts. To 399, Joe Panic. Number to 149, Orlando Cepeda. Number to 399, CC Sabathia. Number to 399, Mike Fultnowitz. Hanley Ramirez, number to 99. To 199, Don Mattingly. To 349, Jorge Soler. Number to 399, Andres Galarraga. Giancarlo, number to Twomsley 5. To 349, Maikel Franco. Very nice card for the Cardinals. Numbered 5 of 5, Lou Brock. Asia exclusive, red ink. And number to 399, Shin Chu Chu. That was the break, guys. Thank you all. I do appreciate it.